The latitude is defined as the angular distance between the equator line and a point on the Earth's surface.
Oh, well, what have we here? Notice how what I say quite frequently about having the ball Earth be a giant glorified protractor. Well, what do we have here? We've got a ball Earth line tag talking about how Earth as a sphere is a glorified protractor, where you must stand inside hell to measure a latitude angle off a planar surface to convert to a flat map. Well, are we measuring from hell to get latitude? No, it's a flat planar measurement, like Simon Dan was making, surface level measurements to the sun. Now, in this case, it's not the sun like Simon Dan measured flat thousands of times. It's a Polaris measurement. But from within a ball, now this just kind of turns this flat plane that we're measuring the angle for surface level into a glorified protractor that you're never going to stand within. Great flat plane that you need when we measure Earth flat. These facts of life, that Earth is measured flat. But you ball-believing clowns can somehow justify being in a ball? Using your ball as a giant protractor? No, we just measure Earth flat.
He's just explaining what isn't happening and trying to say that, like we're pointing out all the time, you need a flat horizontal plane. It's not being measured from inside a ball, we call hell. It's on the surface of Earth. But This guy's explaining it to people. This is how it's happening. And people are just listening to this thinking, well, yeah, this is how it's done. It must be done from the centre of Earth. It's ridiculous.
Here's an angle measurement to the sun. Now, it doesn't matter if this is Polaris or the sun in this example of an elevation angle measurement from surface level. The surface level forms the horizontal, and your zenith forms the vertical. And if you drew a protractor around your position with respect to the flat sky that you're measuring, with degrees that measure to the horizon at 0 and behind you at 180, that makes this angle measurement capable of description with a giant protractor around you. Now, what you can do is call this surface level measurement of Polaris, or in this case, Simon Dan's measurement of the sun off a flat Earth thousands of times. You can pretend that that's inside a ball if you're a numpty clown with a religious belief you were indoctrinated with in your school system. Meanwhile, latitude does not come from hell. Latitude gets measured like this, off surface level with an angle to a light in the sky. There's no ball between you and the light in the sky we call Polaris. There's just a flat Earth prerequisite elevation angle measurement that we do and can and must measure off a flat Earth. For you to pretend that you're standing in a ball that's a protractor. We're not. Earth's measured flat.